Hello. Ink for VR is an art app I made for virtual reality. It's a web app, so it runs on any device that supports virtual reality web apps. I use it on my Quest 2 headset connected to my PC over Airlink. Because it's an art app, the more powerful the hardware it's running on, the more complex art you'll be able to do. But it still runs pretty well just on the Quest 2 headset by itself. Ink for VR is based on the kind of flow you would find in art apps on a tablet. It's a little different from something like Blender. The basic tools you have in Ink for VR are a pen for sketching things, a mesh builder for designing 3D shapes, and a paintbrush for painting things. The paint flow is based on what you would find on an art tablet, like an iPad or a Galaxy tablet. There's color and opacity and blending. The tools are very simple to learn. It only takes a few minutes. So instead of working with things like textures and UV mapping and lighting setups, you spend your time mastering 3D forms and composition and practicing bringing your visions to life, developing an intuition for 3D art. The main difference between this paintbrush and a pen tablet brush is that because this is a 3D brush, the shapes you create can vary depending on the angle your brush contacts the surface at, which is a new kind of learning experience. That's pretty much all there is to the tools. You'll find everything you would expect to find, and it's fairly well labeled. Everything you need for changing your sketches and your meshes. Besides that, there's everything you would expect to find, like layers, which let you keep your sketches and meshes separate and keep different parts of your meshes separate so that you can paint one part of your art without affecting another, and you can hide different parts of your art. There are references, so you can have an image in front of you while you're working on your art. And when you're done, you can either take pictures of your art and download the pictures to share them, or whatever else you might want to do with them. And you can export files to use them in Blender or Unity or Unreal or whatever else you would like to use your 3D art in. And there are cloud features if you want to subscribe to them so that you can save your files in the cloud instead of saving to your device, although saving to the device works just fine as well. That's pretty much all there is to the app. It is designed to be simple in that it's easy to learn, but it's not limited despite that easiness. Anything you can imagine as far as 3D art goes, you can create with time and practice. There are various tutorials to explain everything in the app. I hope you enjoy it.